Hello and welcome back to Space Eco Star, the show where we bring you the latest news and updates on SpaceX and Starlink. Today, we have another exciting episode for you. We're going to cover the second of two Starlink delivery missions that happened on Saturday, October 21, 2023. A SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket lifted off with 23 Starlink satellites from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida at 10:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Falcon 9 set off on a northeasterly trajectory after lifting off from Space Launch Complex 40. The mission was the 150th orbital launch for SpaceX from Space Launch Complex 40, Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, and the 58th launch from Florida's Space Coast in 2023, breaking the record of 57 launches set last year. SpaceX is launching on average once every 4 days. The company is aiming to ratchet up their launch cadence substantially in 2024, as it recently announced it would aim to launch 12 times per month, or 144 times over the course of the year using its Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy rockets. Saturday night's launch was the first time SpaceX has launched 23 of its Starlink V2 mini satellites in one batch. The first stage booster supporting the mission, tail number B1080, will be making its fourth flight after previously launching the AX-2 mission to the International Space Station, the European Space Agency's Euclid telescope, and the Starlink Group 6-11 mission. About 8.5 minutes after liftoff, the booster landed on the drone ship, a shortfall of gravitas. This mission follows the Starlink Group 7-5 mission, which launched from SLC-4E at Vandenberg Space Force Base at 1:23 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time and 4:23 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Space Eco Star. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more SpaceX and Starlink news and updates. You can also watch the first launch of the day by clicking on the end screen at the end of the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.